How to replace the webcam assembly. Before you begin, remove the speaker mesh and display panel. Removal. Peel back the tape that secures the webcam cable and microphone ribbon cable to the back cover. Disconnect the webcam cable and microphone ribbon cable from their connectors on the motherboard. Remove the tape that secures the webcam cable and microphone ribbon cable to the back cover. Remove the webcam cable and microphone ribbon cable from their routing channel along the back cover. Open up the webcam assembly by sliding it up past the top of the back cover. Remove the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the webcam hinges and assembly to the back cover. Lift the webcam hinges over their screw wells and push them up away from the screw holes. Push the webcam assembly up past the top of the back cover until just the bottom two black screws are still visible before the slot on the back cover. Carefully grasp the edges of the webcam assembly and push down, away from the webcam display screen, until the webcam assembly unclips from the webcam display screen. Carefully detach the webcam assembly from the webcam display screen and pull the cables out through the hole on the back cover. Remove the webcam assembly. Replacement. Slot the webcam cable and microphone ribbon cable through the hole on the back cover. And align the webcam assembly with the webcam display screen. Push the webcam assembly and webcam display screen together until they clip back into place. Pull the webcam hinges over their screw wells on the back cover and replace the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the webcam hinges to the back cover. Push the webcam assembly down into its slot on the back cover. Route the webcam cable and microphone ribbon cable along their hooks and routing channel on the back cover and smooth over the tape that secures the cables to the back cover. Reconnect the webcam cable and microphone cable to their connectors on the motherboard. Reattach the tape that secures the webcam and microphone cable to the back cover.